Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, this is Sunshine Yummy Treats. I share simple, healthy and amazing recipes. In this video, I'll be sharing one of my puff puff recipes. This recipe is so easy to make, soft and super fluffy. So let's get started. So I'll start by combining all the dry ingredients together in a bowl. Here I've added salt, nutmeg, sugar, instant yeast to the flour and mix together to combine. Please check out the full ingredients and measurements in the description box below. So for this recipe, I'll be using 1 cup of milk and like half cup of water, and I'll be going in with the liquid gradually in order to get the right consistency. So the milk and water were of room temperature because I used instant yeast. But if you are using dry yeast, you have to proof it first by using warm water and sugar before adding to the other ingredients. So ensure to check the type of yeast you are using before starting. Okay, I'm adding vanilla flavor and then add water gradually to mix the batter in order to get my right consistency. Yes, at this point I want to say thank you to my returning subscribers for always stopping by to watch my videos. I see your thumbs ups and your comments. I love you guys. And to you that is new here, that's seeing my video for the first time, you are welcome here. This is Sunshine Yummy Treats. Please do well to subscribe, like and drop your comments. Let me know what you think and then turn on the notification so you always be notified whenever there is a new upload. So I'm just going to cover this and keep in a warm place, and I usually keep in my turned off oven to rest for 45 minutes. Mind you, the time varies. So if you're in a colder environment, it might take you longer than that. So it's out and I'm just going to mix this once more to remove the hair from inside. For you to scoop the batter into the oil, you have to make a hole in between your index and your thumb and then squeeze out the batter through it. With constant practice, you will get it perfect. So the oil is already heating up. Please make sure that the heat is on medium so the puff puff can cook inside. Please do not overcrowd the oil or pan in order to maintain the temperature. So if you're making it in large quantity, you have to fry in batches. So you continue frying on medium heat and you know it's ready when it turns golden brown. And now our puff puff is ready. It came out really nice and super yummy. This can be paired with any juice of your choice. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.